Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my everyday makeup tutorial look. This literally takes me less than 15 minutes to apply, and I wanted to share my tips and tricks with you all. And of course, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna get started now. I love this drugstore foundation, guys. It's Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation. I am obsessed. It's super buildable and extremely full coverage, so you can use a little if you want, or you can build it up. But this is great for every day, and I use my hands just to apply it super quick. But on the days where I actually do like a full face makeup and want to look good, I use a beauty blender or a foundation brush. Next, I use Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is super extreme full coverage, so a little goes a long way. I don't only use it as a concealer, but actually to do my highlighting and contour too. So you want to do this on those areas where I applied to accentuate and add highlighting. I use my Sephora Pro Small Stippling Brush, the number 42, to blend that out. Next, I'm going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour palette, and this is the shade I'll be using for adding the depth back into my face and contouring with. I'm going to use that same small stippling brush and apply in the cheekbone area. I then, in circular small motion, just blending upward into my hairline until it's diffused and nice and blended. I then take a small and narrow nose contour brush that I bought from Wish, and I love this brush, how narrow and small it is. It's perfect for contouring your nose. I take that same Pro Small Stippling Brush and I blend that out. Next, I'm going to take my favorite bronzer. This is by Benefit. It's called Hula. The reason I love this one is it is such a pretty bronzed color. It's not too orange. It gives you that natural glowing bronzed look. So I go ahead and accentuate my contour over with this fluffy brush and blend it into my hairline. And then I'm going to use my baking powder by Laura Mercier. It's the translucent shade, and I go ahead and I apply this all in my T-zone and anywhere where I want to accentuate where I just contoured. I'm going to let it sit on that area for a few minutes to let it bake. Don't worry, we're going to dust this off in a few minutes. While this sits on my face, I'm going to go ahead and work on my eyebrows. I just use a small angled eyebrow brush with a spoolie on the other end, and I just use some brown eyeshadow and I fill in where my natural arch is and fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows. I then brush it out with the spoolie to make it look more natural. I'm then going to go ahead and dust off my baking powder. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply my favorite lipstick. This is by Kylie Cosmetics. It's the shade Candy K. I swear this is the most beautiful shade. It looks good on all skin tones. This lipstick lasts all day. After eating, drinking, kissing, this is my favorite everyday lipstick. For my eyeshadow, I'm actually going to use my bronzer, and I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and the bronzer just kind of makes the whole look monochromatic and effortless. I just think that it pulls this whole look together, and it's just quick and easy. I'm then going to use a smaller fluffy brush to apply the bronzer on my lower lash line. This makes your eyes appear awake and bigger, and it also brings out your eye color. Next, I'm going to apply my favorite mascara. This is from the drugstore, L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original. I apply this on my lower lash line, and I just love this mascara. It's great. I also am wearing false eyelashes, as you can tell by Tati Lashes. They're in the style TL3. I get them glued on at a salon and they last all month. I'm going to use this LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil, and I just love this. It's super easy to apply and it lasts forever. Then I'm going to go ahead with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. It's a skin refresher and finishing mist. I apply it to my cheekbones and the bridge of my nose. And I'm going to go ahead and use my highlighter from MAC in the shade A55 Soft and Gentle. Now this is the most beautiful highlighter. It looks good on every skin tone. I'm going to take this small fan brush and just apply gently on the places where I just used the MAC Prep and Prime. This is such a beautiful shade, and it makes you look so glowy and dewy. Then I'm going to lock in my look with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This stuff lasts all day. I found this at the Dollar Tree and I absolutely loved it. It's my little fan, and I just go ahead and fan my face until it feels dry. Next, we're going to work on my hair. I like to sleep in these braids with my Rejuvenique oil, and I go ahead and undo the braids, and it comes out looking so pretty, and it's heatless, so that's a plus. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial and hairstyle.